You don't need to understand technology. You need it to understand you. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, frustrated, or even left behind by technology, you're not alone. But here's the truth. Good technology should reduce stress, not create it. And it should fit into your life, not the other way around. Technology often creates fear, not because we can't learn it, but because it's rarely designed with us in mind. Think about it. Buttons are hidden. Instructions are full of jargon. Updates come without warning. But when you take a moment to get familiar, just one step at a time, that fear begins to fade. And confidence? That starts to build. The best tools don't expect you to change who you are. They adapt to your needs. Whether it's speech to text, large fonts, voice assistants, or smart automation, the right tech meets you where you are, regardless of your age or experience level. Good design is invisible. Bad design makes you feel like you're the problem. But you are not the problem. The design is. Many older adults give up not because they're bad at tech, but because tech was never built with them in mind. Thankfully, that's changing, and your voice matters in that change. I recently heard from a woman named Carol, age 62. She wanted to start a side hustle using AI tools, but felt intimidated. 2 months later, she's now using Canva, ChatGPT, and Zoom, on her terms. Why? Because she gave herself permission to explore slowly, with support. Progress doesn't have to be fast. It just has to be yours. So if tech ever made you feel small, confused, or out of step, know this. It's not too late. You're not behind, and you don't need to become a tech expert. You just need the right tools, the right mindset, and the freedom to explore at your pace. Want to learn more? Watch one of the videos below, or tap the link in the description to get started.